In today's video, I will be showing to you how to work the purl stitch for beginners. This is called the purl stitch. As it is essential to learn purl and knit stitch in order to learn how to knit and alternate stitches. So when we do the purl stitch, if this is your loop, each stitch is a loop and it has front and back. The needle goes from right to left when you purl, and when you knit it goes from left to right. As it's important to keep your tension, I'll show you how I do it. I wrap the yarn around my middle finger first, then I go from left to right with the yarn until it comes to my right hand. And it's around my neck, so from left to right. You work it like this. You wrap the thread around the needle and you pull it through the back. You wrap the yarn around the needle and you pull it through the back. Then you're gonna slip that stitch. From right to left, wrap the yarn, pull the stitch through the back and release the stitch. Right to left, wrap the yarn, pull that stitch through the back and release the stitch. And again, right to left, wrap the yarn, pull through the back and release the stitch. And this is the purl stitch.